How to merge multiple JPG files together. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to merge multiple JPG images together. Before getting started though, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So right here, as you can see, I have two simple JPG images. Let's imagine that I want to merge these. I will come into this website right here. It's called imageonline.co. I'm just going to scroll down. So here's the option to add image. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to select both these images. Once both these images are uploaded, now I have the option to merge them horizontally or vertically. So let's say I want to merge them vertically. I can just select vertically here and click on merge JPG. Now the output here will be shown. So as you can see, this is what the output looks like. I can just click on the download button. So now the output has been downloaded. Let's check out how it looks like. So as you can see, the images have been successfully merged. So that was a quick tutorial on how to merge your JPG images. If you found this video helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.